Overcoming Overgeneralizations. Mastering English Quantifiers. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly tricky part of English language learning: the appropriate usage of quantifiers, specifically, several, a few, and a couple of. We'll explore their meanings, proper use, and common mistakes language learners make when overgeneralizing these quantifiers. To begin with, let's clarify what each quantifier means. Several generally means more than a couple but less than many. In numerical terms, it's often interpreted as around 3 to 5 items. A few is very similar to several. However, it might imply slightly fewer items, typically around 2 to 4. A couple of usually means 2, or sometimes a small number close to 2. These quantifiers are flexible and often depend on context. But keep in mind, even though they all refer to small quantities, they're not perfectly interchangeable. One major mistake is overgeneralization, using one quantifier to cover all situations. For example, using a few when you mean a couple of can create confusion or inaccuracies. Consider this sentence: I have a few apples. This suggests you have somewhere around 2 to 4 apples. If you actually have exactly 2 apples, it's more accurate and natural to say, I have a couple of apples. The key to overcoming overgeneralization is being attentive to context and using a variety of quantifiers to match your exact meaning. 1. Identify your quantity. Do you mean around 2, 3 to 5, or more? Choose your quantifier accordingly. 2. Consider your context. If you're speaking informally, a couple of can sometimes be used for quantities close to 2. But in formal or precise contexts, stick to a couple of for exactly 2. 3. Practice using all quantifiers. Try to use several, a few, and a couple of in your daily conversations and written English. Well, that's a wrap for today. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step brings you closer to mastery. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. We hope this video has been useful in your understanding of English quantifiers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you master the English language.